You said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, showing y'all how I achieved this blue bob. And I just want to say and start off first that I am no type of hairstylist. I do not have no type of license. I just make it do with what it do. You already know. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm showing you guys the wig that I got from Isee here at Aliexpress, which came with the ball cap, the wig of course, their information, little card here or there. Nothing major. Okay, here's the wig. It is a 12-inch wig, straight, and I'm just going to be taking it out of the bag for you guys and showing you how it looks without the plastic on. Also showing you how the lace looks. The hair was really soft. It had minimum shedding throughout this process. So here is how the lace looks up close. As you guys can see, the wig came with 4 combs on each side, and it also came with what are they called, like the clip thingies, that make the wig tighter. I don't know, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, as you can see right here, that's what it came with. I'm going to be taking the Got To Freeze spray, and I'm going to be spraying this all over my lace so that it helps not stain. But y'all, this did not work for me at all. My lace still stained in the end. As you get towards the end, you can see. So yeah, this is what I did, even though it didn't work for me. Here I took some hot boiling steam water and poured it into a white container, and next I'm going to be taking the Adore dye in the shade 112, and I'm going to also pour that in there and stir it till you see no more clumps. Please make sure you stir it until you see no more clumps of dye in the water, okay? Because you don't want your wig to be having like darker spots and then it's looking like 101 Dalmatian. Like, that's not what we doing, y'all. That's not what we doing. So yeah, make sure you do that, please. Here I'm going to be taking the ion dye in the shade Sky Blue, I believe, and I'm going to pour that in there also. I really wanted a type of royal blue type, dark blue color, the same color as my comb that I was going for. So yeah, I was real specific on what type of color that I wanted. And I looked up a whole bunch of videos, and everybody else's videos was just not clicking to me, so I just went off a limb. So after you've poured all the dye that you want to in there, you just keep stirring and keep stirring until you get all the clumps out of the water, and make sure everything is stirred and saturated together. So yeah, period. Stir, girl. Stir with those gloves on, because we do not want to have stained fingernails. I know y'all saw my nails. I had just got them done, and that blue was it wasn't gonna kick it with that, just know. So here I'm just going to test a strand of the hair to make sure that it's the blue that I want, and if I wanted to add more dye, because I did not use all 4 bottles. I only used like a half and a half of both of one bottle. So yeah, I'm just testing to see if it's the exact blue that I want, and I don't think that I was satisfied, so I did add more blue in 2. So yeah, now I'm going to dump the whole wig inside of the water and get it saturated. Make sure that you cover the entire wig. My thing was that my lace turned blue and I was kind of upset about it, but I wish I would have did a trick that I learned after the fact, but that's okay because we learning, y'all. It's trial and error, we learning, okay? So yeah, what you want to do is make sure you get that entire wig into the water. You don't want to miss any spots because then half of your wig is going to be light blue and the other half is going to be dark blue, and that's not what we want, okay? As I stated before, I am not a hairstylist. I don't know nothing about hair. I'm just doing what works for me. So if you guys have any negative comments, please keep them to yourselves, and you might as well just not comment because like I said, I really don't care. I'm just doing what works best for me. So yeah, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to saturate the wig with this conditioner. I don't know where I got this conditioner from. I think from Walmart, but yeah, so I'm just going to run this all through the wig and then comb it and let it sit. He said, what you know about love? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough. As you can see, there was minimum shedding, but that's normal since we dyed the wig. And this is how the finished product looks, and I washed out the conditioner, and this is how it looks washed and everything. And as you can see, the lace was stained, so yeah, but we're gonna fix that. So now you guys are going to see my sister doing my hair because like I said, I'm not a hairstylist, but she's mine. So let's get into it. He said, what you know about love? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough until the end of time. Cause you got that got all that I need, boy. Stay looking fresh from your head to your feet, boy. Got that smile when you talking, that lean in you up. Come on, come on, come on. He said, what you know about love? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We about to get it on. Take off them drawers. Say it's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go, yeah. Cause I like what I see.
said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough until the end of time. Cause you got that got all that I need, boy. Stay looking fresh from your head to your feet, boy. Got that smile when you talking, that lean in you up. Come on, come on, come on. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We about to get it on. Take off them drawers. Say it's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go, yeah. Cause I like what I see. What you need, yeah. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough until the end of time. Cause you got that got all that I need, boy. Stay looking fresh from your head to your feet, boy. Got that smile when you talking, that lean in you up. Come on, come on, come on. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We about to get it on. Take off them drawers. Say it's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go, yeah. Cause I like what I see. What you need, yeah. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough until the end of time. Cause you got that got all that I need, boy. Stay looking fresh from your head to your feet, boy. Got that smile when you talking, that lean in you up. Come on, come on, come on. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We about to get it on. Take off them drawers. Say it's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go, yeah. Cause I like what I see. What you need, yeah. He said what you know about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want this dress, and I really wanna know what you think. Got a hold on me, it's that fresh brand new love when you're holding me. I just can't get enough. Eyes on me tonight, cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life, then that would be enough until the end of time. Cause you got that got all that I need, boy. Stay looking fresh from your head to your feet, boy. Got that smile when you talking, that lean in you up. Come on, come on, come on. He said, what you know about love? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We about to get it on. Take off them drawers. Say it's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go, yeah. Cause I like what I see. I got what you need. Yeah. He said, what you know about love? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. He asked, what's your name, what's your sign? Baby, can I buy you a drink? I said that I never want to.
So this is the final look of the hairstyle and everything. I completely fell in love with it after she finished it, and yes, shout out to my sister because she did exactly what I wanted it. She cut it exactly how I wanted it to be cut and everything. So yeah, here's the final look, and I hope you guys love it. See you later.
Eyes on me tonight, 'cause you feel right. And if your love was all I had in this life,